Good day to our Information Management Advisor, Professor Jeric M. Quintua. I am Joe Crescenti Yamis, and now we will be presenting our documentation defense for the development of ordering system in LPG cooking gas delivery in Quezon City, together with Camille Malyare for the introduction, Camille Malate for the development tools, in Jamaica Bayo for the system features.
Development of ordering system of LPG cooking delivery is to provide customers for a way to place an order of LPG cooking gas via application through the internet, wherein a customer will sign in with the customer's email and password to create an account and choose the preferred kilogram of LPG that customer will order. The customer will choose whether pickup or delivery. Identically, the application delivery can occupy the whole places in Quezon City, Philippines. As of May 2021, Quezon City is still under GCQ, which people gathering should be prohibited and particular ages are restricted. This leads people to remain at home and had to take online platforms to acquire their needs and stuff. Digital and online platforms are extremely important these days. They are particularly important in times of crisis when they are virtual channel for providing basic needs and ensuring access to information. They must be a source that people can rely on. In order that development of ordering system of LPG cooking delivery will transform via online order.
Thank you, Ms. Camille Molyari. I am Camille Joy Malate for the developing tools. In developing this project, the important skill required is the knowledge of programming languages. We use Java as the main programming language and XML for the designing layouts through the help of Android Studio. So what is Android Studio? Android Studio is a new Android development environment based on Entity IDEA. It provides new features and improvements over Eclipse ADT and will be the official Android IDE once it's ready. Mainly small to mid-sized business depend on the database for better inventory management. Database help to manage a huge amounts of data and help user to perform more than one task at a time. Using one software application, business operation get efficient and overall expenses are reduced. So in this project, we use the Firebase database powered by Google. One of the most prominent and trusted names in the world of technology. Since its acquisition, Firebase has gone through a series of changes and development and become the reliable platform it is today. It harnesses the power of Google Cloud and many of Google services. So, what is Firebase database? Firebase is a platform developed by Google for creating mobile and web applications. It was originally an independent company founded in 2011. In 2014, Google acquired the platform and it is now their flagship offering for app development. For the system features, here is Jamaica Bayo.
Okay, so let's start with the system features of the application. Again, my name is Jamaica Bayo, and let's proceed to the first one. App plugin and registration system. In these features, of course, it requires to put your email and create a password. You have also to provide your phone number and address. Nire-require din yan because for delivery purposes. Then next is it can log in with your Google and Facebook account. So if you have an existing account on Google and Facebook, pwede ka na makapag-login directly dun sa applications. But for now, yung mga developer muna ang pwede makapag-login through Facebook kasi we all know na may privacy si Facebook na it requires payment para makakonect yung application sa Facebook and makapag-login yung ibang users. So, since pang educational purposes lang naman to, hindi na muna tayo magbabayad. Then next one is set up for delivery addresses. One-time setup. So, kapag lagay mo ng address sa registration, automatically magre-reflect na yan sa lahat ng inputs mo. For example, mag-place ka ng order for delivery, automatically nagre-reflect na yung address mo, so you don't have to type your address ng paulit-ulit every time na mag-order ka. Next is reset password and email for concern. So, if you forgot your password, pag nakalimutan mo, kukunin namin yung email mo and we will send the link through your provided email para ma-reset yung password mo. And email for concern. If you have anything to change about your infos, reviews, or recommendations, etc. So, email for concern. Next is user profile and order history. Sa user profile, nandito nakalagay yung name mo, yung email address, phone number, and home address na pre-provide mo. And next is order history. Pagkatapos mag-place ng order, dito mo makikita yung details ng in-order mo, kung what branch ka nag-order, date and time, quantity, gas type, or yung total amount tong in-order mo. And lastly, simple 3-step process to order. So, paano naging 3-step yun? Ang first step natin is magla-login or magre-register ka sa application. Second is pipili ka ng branch kung saan malapit yung lugar mo and then select your gas type and quantity. And third step is you have to choose whether pick up or delivery yung order mo. Then place your order and you're done.
Hi, I am Joe Christian Tiames. Sa topic na ito, pag-usapan natin kung paano nga ba gumagana yung ginawa naming system. So first, install muna natin yung application natin sa ating Android device. So pagkatapos ng installation, open na natin. So pagka-open natin, una natin makikita is yung splash screen activity. Pagkatapos ng splash screen is welcome activity. So, sa welcome activity, may dalawang buttons, get started and they already have an account. Once you click this, it will go to the login activity. Once you click the get started, it will directed you to create your new account sa ating register activity. Make sure your email address is verified email address so that our system can send you a verification link. So, simulan na natin. So once you click the register, lahat ng in-input ng user is masasave sa ating database as a collection, also a authentication. So pag click mo to, pupunta ka sa verification page. So ayan, thank you for signing up. Let's check your email and relaunch the app. So before natin i-relaunch yung app natin, check muna natin yung database natin. So sa authentication, dito natin makikita yung ginamit natin na email address. Ayan, email address. So sa Firestore database, dito natin makikita yung information na ginamit natin. So users 79, So ngayon balik tayo dito. Before natin i-relaunch yung app natin, tingnan muna natin yung verification link natin. Ayan, may natanggap tayong verification link. Once you click this link, it will send you to the browser. So ayan, your email has been verified. You can now sign in with your new account. So relaunch na natin yung application natin. Once you relaunch your application, it will send you to login activity. So dito, type na natin yung ginamit natin sa register. So once you click login, it will give you an access to our main activity. So click na natin. So ayan, login successful. For example, if you forgot your password, so log out muna natin. For example, if you forgot your password, enter your email. So click yes. Resend link to your email. Check natin yung email natin kung may natanggap ba tayong resend link. Once you click this reset link, it will send you to the browser. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, save. So you can now sign in with your new password. So try natin yung new password natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So login. So login successful. So ngayon try naman natin yung ibang login option. So open natin yung app. Login with Google or Facebook. So login with Facebook. So may magpa-pop up dyan. So click. So if your account is verified Facebook account, will give you an access to our main activity. So log out tayo. So since Huawei yung device ko, nakaband sa Google. So try natin sa ating Android Studio. Try naman natin yung sign in with Google. So try natin. So Google sign in successfully. Firebase authentication successful. Also the data collected there, it will save to our database. Tingnan natin yung authentication natin. Authentication. Ayan yung ginamit natin sa Facebook at naman yung ginamit natin sa Google. Nagre-reflect lahat dyan yung mga ginamit natin. So kung tapos ka na makapag-register, tapos ka na rin makapag-login, may access ka na sa ating main activity, pinakauna mong makikita is yung branchless. So sa kaliwa naman is yung order history. Dito mo makikita yung recent order mo. Sa kabila naman is yung profile. Dito mo makikita yung sinet up mo nung sa register. I-retrieve natin yung sa register. So for example, select natin yung Batasan Hills. So pag sinelect natin yun, may makikita tayong dalawang dialogues. Before you order, please ensure you have an empty tank similar to the pictures. We currently not accept bulk order. Select one type of gas only. So for example, select natin yung 22 kilos, dalawa. So pag chinek out mo to, mapupunta ka sa fill up form. So dito sa fill up form, pick up. So kung may pick up notes ka sa nagbabantay ng tindahan, so isusulat mo lang dyan. So dito sa ating input field, automatic na yan nagre-retrieve kasi net up mo ng dun sa register. So for example, delivery. So kung may pick up ka sa magde-deliver, isusulat mo lang dyan. So for example, pakibilisan po. Bilisan po sir. So ayan. So dito naman sa baba, dito natin makikita yung items na sinelect natin. Yung subtotal 2440. So plus natin yung delivery charge. So total 2480. So yung branch, yung quantity, yung type, dyan lahat. So pag click mo yung place your order, kasi save sa ating database as collection orders. So click natin to, mapupunta tayo sa kabilang activity. So click natin, order successfully, please ready your empty tank. Notify natin yung user. So for example, may concern ka sa shop. So click mo lang to. So ML as your concern. For example, subject natin concern. So type natin pagbilisan, follow up. So send natin. So sending email. So once you click this done, babalik tayo sa ating main activity. Titingnan natin sa history, meron ba tayong nare-retrieve na data. So ayan, dyan nagre-reflect yung in-order natin, yung recent order natin. Check naman natin sa ating database. So ayan, kung same ba sila. So ayan, dress 79. So ayan, same. So check natin yung email natin kung May na-receive ba tayong concern sa ating customer? So, ayan. May na-receive tayo. Pakibilisan. So, ayan. Thank you.